In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill dates in Google Sheets using the fill handle. This is a quick, reliable way to create a long list of dates without typing each one by hand. It's perfect for schedules, project timelines, attendance sheets, or any situation where you need a clean, continuous date sequence. Start by typing the first date in the cell where you want your list to begin. Then type the second date directly below it so the two dates are in consecutive cells in the same column. These two entries tell Google Sheets the pattern you want. For example, if your first date is January 3rd and your second date is January 2nd, Sheets will understand that you want a daily sequence. If your second date is January 8th, it will continue in weekly jumps. Make sure your dates are recognized as dates, not text. If they're left aligned or not changing format when you type, adjust the format to date so Sheets reads them correctly. Next, select both dates. Click on the first date, then drag your cursor to include the second one so both cells are highlighted together. Selecting both is important. This is what defines the interval. Now look for the small circle in the bottom right corner of the highlighted selection. This is the fill handle. Hover over that small circle until your cursor changes, then click it. If you don't immediately see the circle, make sure both cells are selected and try zooming in slightly so the corner is easier to spot. With the small circle clicked, drag it straight down to extend the series as far as you need. As you drag, you'll see a preview of the dates that will be filled. Release the mouse when you reach the last row you want to populate. Google Sheets will automatically fill every cell with the next date in the pattern established by your first two entries. Take a moment to scan the filled dates to confirm they follow the intended step. If something looks off, press undo, adjust the second date to the correct interval, and try dragging again. If the dates display in an unexpected format, you can change the display format later without redoing the fill. And if you ever drag too far, simply undo or delete the extra rows. That's all there is to it. Type the first and second date, select them, click the small circle in the corner,